Everybody wants to go viral. Everybody. But here's the problem. They're spending hours looking for trends, writing scripts, editing videos, hunting hashtags, and still getting nowhere. That's not smart. The smart creators, they automate, they move faster. They let AI do the heavy lifting while they focus on winning. TokNinja AI changes the game. It finds what's trending, writes powerful hooks, creates stunning TikTok videos, edits them, adds captions, generates hashtags, schedules your posts, and even helps you manage multiple client accounts from one dashboard, one tool, one-time price. Tremendous value if you're serious about growing your brand, building an agency, or creating content that actually gets seen. You owe it to yourself to take a look. To learn everything about TokNinja AI, visit theproductoasis.com and search for TokNinja AI, or simply follow the link in the description below this video. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more honest AI reviews and powerful marketing insights.